Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to San Salvador English Learning. I have a very good lesson today that will help you to expand your vocabulary and pronunciation. Today we're going to practice shadowing. Shadowing is a repetitive exercise that improves your pronunciation, helps you to sound more natural in English, and will help you build your confidence. Don't worry about mistakes. This is how we learn, and we're just practicing. I'm going to teach items that are typically found in your kitchen cupboards. We call these items in general kitchenware. Yes, kitchenware. And this is how we're going to practice. Step 1. I'll say the name of the object, spoken slowly, and you should listen to the pronunciation. Step 2. I'll repeat the word a second time, and I would like you to speak along with me, mimicking my speech patterns, intonation, and pronunciation. This is a fantastic way to improve your speaking. Step 3. Additionally, I will say a present simple sentence using the object word. You should repeat the sentence with me. I will say this twice. Let's start and have fun speaking English together. So the first object is spoon. Spoon. She eats a yogurt with a spoon. This is a spoon. She eats a yogurt with a spoon. 2. Mug. Mug. I drink a coffee in a mug. I drink a coffee in a mug. Number 3 is knife. Knife. We cut our toast with a knife. We cut our toast with a knife. Number 4 is fork. Fork. We eat spaghetti with a fork. We eat spaghetti with a fork. Object number 5 is bowl. Bowl. People like to eat cereal from a bowl. People like to eat cereal from a bowl. Object number 6 is frying pan. Frying pan. To cook an egg, we use a frying pan. To cook an egg, we use a frying pan. Object number 7, glass. Glass. We enjoy a nice glass of water. We enjoy a nice glass of water. Object number 8. Plate. Plate. We use a plate to eat dinner. We use a plate to eat dinner. Object number 9. We have a cup and saucer. And it goes like this. Cup and saucer. We have afternoon tea using a cup and saucer. We have afternoon tea using a cup and saucer. And the last one is number 10. This is a jug. Jug. We put milk in a jug to add to tea. We put milk in a jug to add to tea. How did you do? Were you able to speak along with me okay? If not, don't worry. It takes some practicing as shadowing is an advanced skill. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, like and share. And until the next video, bye for now.